Welcome to the Swivl Basic Operation Guide. The unit is an auto-tracking camera that uses a mobile device to capture video. In the kit, you will find the hub, AC power unit, a connection cable, and remote with microphone. Begin by screwing the hub onto the top of the tripod. Next, plug in the power unit and connect it to the Swivl hub. Hold down the power button to turn on the device. On the mobile device, go to the App Store to download the Swivl app. Place the device in the Swivl hub and attach the connection cable. Open the Swivl app and choose the robot icon to review settings. Make sure the panning and tilting features are turned on. Finally, attach the remote to the lanyard and power on the device. The system is now ready to use and will follow the sensor in the remote control. If the Swivl device stops responding, hold down the home button on the remote to make Swivl reposition the camera on you. Swivl can be used with Zoom to broadcast your lecture outside of the classroom. You will need to have the Zoom app already downloaded to your mobile device. Use the Swivl app to set up the device, then sign into Zoom with your UNCG credentials to start the meeting. Hold down the power button on the Swivl hub to turn off the device. Follow the same procedure to turn off the remote. If you have any questions, please contact 6tech@uncg.edu.